Remember, fans, the more you get him pumped up, the better show you'll see. Make some noise for him.
Now let's see what he's got in mind. He is into his first 90 seconds. Cross said this is the biggest course he has been on. Could be a little intimidating.
Huge jump up and over the shipping container. And the truck takes it. Tannerite still going.
Brings it around. Going for the short jump.
They call that one a jammer stack. Going to put the truck up in the air and try to give him a good bounce to go for a slap wheelie there. Speedway.
He lost a little bit of his body off of it over there, that little jump, but man, you talk about a well of a save. He just did it.
As a driver, when you pull off something like that, his adrenaline's going crazy right now. Let's see what he can do next. He's officially passed his scoring time, so fans, this is all for you. Just for you fans.
His first time, it'll be his life.